I've used a lot of oils over the span of my career, and the biggest problems I face with them is that they sit on the surface and they're not absorbed by the hair at all.
Combating that frizz that pops up from damage is really important for me. That's the great thing about the K18 oil. It truly is working on a molecular level to repair that damage that's causing the frizz in your hair or your client's hair.
I'm so happy that we finally have a product in the styling category that truly heals hair. I recommend that my clients use the hair oil in addition to their leave-in mask at home to double up on the peptide properties, strengthening their hair at home in between visits in the salon.
Once you start using this in your client's hair, you are not going to feel like there's anything in there, and it's really going to enhance your styling and give you so much flexibility.
This product was perfectly designed to be used on damp and dry hair, so you can use it all the way through your service.
So your client is gonna leave with their hair feeling so flawless, so healthy. You'll really be able to give them that start to finish total transformation on their hair.
This product works in so many different ways, like heat protection, sealing split ends, adding an insane amount of shine, and maximum frizz control.